Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today's chart of the day is the Aussie dollar yen 60 minutes time frame. Now we can see the yen pairs continue to extend higher. Now in the case of the Aussie yen here, we are looking to finish with 5. We got this with 2 ended here, with 1 ended here, and we got this with 3 in the minor degree going on with subdivision in 5 waves. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now looking to complete with 5. Now I think in some ways probably it's not worth it to chase the long side, and the reason is because I think we are not really that far away from ending this 5 in black, and if when we end 5 in black, we should end 3 in red and then get a 4 in red pullback, right? Now what's the difference between this pullback and the 4 in red pullback? Now 4 in red is a larger degree, so that means if we are starting with 4 in red here, then technically we might see a little bit bigger pullback, not this kind of super shallow pullback. Okay, that's the idea here. So if I zoom out and focus on the red degree in the minor degree, this is the 1, 2 here, which is the same as this 1, 2 here. So we are talking about the start of the move from June 4. So you can see right now, if I do the Fibonacci extension, we are very close to reach the 1.618. So that's typically the levels in which your wave 3 could be ending. So you can see we are very near that level already. So whether you should be chasing, I don't think it's a good idea to chase, right? Even though it is bullish, I will never try to sell it, but I don't think it's a good idea to chase at the moment, since we are getting closer to reach that 1.618 extension. And so technically it could be ending anytime, to be honest, right? But I think we can still see a bit more upside to reach this level, to finish with 3. Then we will see a wave 4, which is technically a little bit bigger pullback. It's not a massive sell-off, but it's a bigger pullback. Again, ideally wave 4 should be somewhere between 23.6, 38.2% retracement of this wave 3 here. So once we know where wave 3 ends, and how do we know wave 3 ends? When we see a pullback which is not really a super shallow anymore, it's a decent pullback, and we know wave 3 likely has ended, right? And then when that happens, we can start measuring the 23.6, 38.2 to get some ideas where the pullback of that wave 4 may end. And then we can also use that area and combine it with the idea of the pullback should be corrective. So the pullback should be in the form of a 3 swing like this, right? Because corrective is always going to be a 3 swing like this. So it should be 3 swing, and this 3 swing should end somewhere between again 23.6, 38.2. But for the time being, we are looking basically we are calling a bit more upside extension, but we should be very close to complete that wave 3 right now, right? And therefore, again, it's too risky to chase, and expect the pullback soon, and then that pullback should be somewhere between 23.6, 38.2, then extends higher again afterwards. All right, so that's the update here for today, guys. And as always, if you want to get more ideas or more updates on the Forex, commodities, indices, ETF, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.